slanted, my reflection still there. The marquees, they all read. Appearing nowhere, appearing nowhere, now appearing nowhere.
Sir, close, sir. Get ready. Sir, look here. Thank you, sir. Yes. Beta, इधर जरूर. All right. Sir, close, sir. Smile. Hold, sir. Thank you. Right, come on.
Once again, namaste and good evening to the entire Hyderabad city and all my customers who are here, all the friends from the media, and last but not the least, my team Vibrant. It's good to be here, and I had told Siraj Babu Sahab that I'll come to your city the day you do 100 cars, and he said, sir, give me one chance with the new car. And I will not let you down, and this is that first time when he's done that with a brand new car and I'm here in the city. It's lovely because we've had a great ride with Siraj Saab since 2010. And like he explained, he's covered the city very well. In fact, to all my customers and friends from the media, our dealers in Hyderabad are actually extending a challenge to my dealer development team. Mr. Abhishek Arora is here. Because with all the 16 facilities that we have here, we have tasked him to make Delhi now bigger than Hyderabad, because right now Hyderabad is bigger than Delhi. This is a task that Abhishek has, and he has to fulfill that in the next 2 months before we get the new car. And I think what's really important is that today we are here with the all-new Gravite along with the Magnite. And I think this is a wonderful new addition to the family, the all-new Gravite. And I'm sure all of you have bought it. I don't need to sell it to you. But this is a wonderful choice that you've made. I can assure you this is a wonderful choice you've made. And the complete package and the ecosystem that has come with this car is definitely something that will inspire you, give you the confidence. And also, we would love to reiterate that we've got one of the finest dealers here amongst Vibrant Motors. And they are in the top 3 dealers for Nissan in India today. It's an absolute pleasure, privilege to be amongst all of you today. And once again, I would like to thank all the customers who have invested in Nissan, who have become a part of the Nissan family. We would like to assure you of our best possible services going forward. As you run your journey with the brand and our cars, we would like to assure you of our best possible services in times to come. We are expanding our reach. You will see us in more places. Right now, last year we finished with 170 locations in the country. By the end of this financial year, you will see us in over 230, close to 250 locations in this country, showroom outlets, and close to 200 workshops in this country. Siraj Saab said something very interesting. He said, I'm going to tell you about this car and I'm going to tell you about the Tecton. Tecton is a C-SUV 5-seater, which is going to be the size of, for reference, not because I want to quote competition, but for reference, it means the size of a Creta or a Seltos. And that car is coming in June. We're going to launch it in India in June. It's going to be followed by another C-SUV, which is going to be larger than the Tecton that we are launching. It's going to be a 7-seater, and we are going to get that by the last quarter of this financial year. So this year, we started with one car in the first quarter of this calendar year, and we will close this financial year with 4 cars. So you can see this is a growth that no other automotive brand has done in a year, 4 new cars. And this is what Nissan is setting out to be. Not 4 new cars, 1 Magnite plus 3 new cars. And the plan doesn't stop there. It is just till quarter 1 of 27 that I'm talking right now. There is a lot of bigger plan which is beyond that. And as time goes forward and as we are ready to announce, we are going to make some more announcements going beyond 27. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's a wonderful time to be here at the launch of the all-new Gravite in your city. And we would love to see more and more of you in our cars. Nissan is a very humble brand. In fact, that vehicle there, and I'm going to leave this story with you, that vehicle there behind Siraj Saab, it's called the Jonga. How many of you heard about the Jonga? We are in an army cantonment area, we should be knowing about the Jonga, right? Jonga was one of the first military vehicles used by the Indian Army, and some of the most serious wars have been fought on Nissan Jonga and on the Nissan 1-ton truck which was used by the Indian Armed Forces. And I would like to share with you, आप लोगों को सबको बताना चाहूँगा कि वो जो दूर आप वो गाड़ी देख रहे हैं, जहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है Defying Ordinary in India since 1965. निसान ने जोंगा बनाने का लाइसेंस हिंदुस्तान की सरकार को, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डिफेंस को 1965 में दिया था. 1965, Nissan gave the license to make this car. This was the Nissan Patrol, P60. And P60 was licensed to the Ministry of Defense, Government of India. और जोंगा इस गाड़ी का नाम नहीं है. जोंगा इस गाड़ी का नाम नहीं है. Jonga is the name of the place where this car was built. जबलपुर ऑर्डिनेंस एंड गन कैरेज असेंबली, मध्य प्रदेश में ये फैक्ट्री है भारत सरकार की, जहाँ पे कि वो आर्म्ड व्हीकल्स बनाते हैं आर्म्ड फोर्सेस के लिए. एंड जोंगा उस फैक्ट्री का नाम था, जे फॉर जबलपुर ऑर्डिनेंस गन कैरेज असेंबली फैक्ट्री. तो जोंगा इसका नाम पड़ा और इसके दोनों फेंडर पे निसान पेट्रोल का बैज लगता था. और 1969 से 1999 तक भारत सरकार ने ये गाड़ी बनाई और इस गाड़ी के बनाने के लास्ट 4 साल में सिविलियन वर्जन भी उन्होंने लॉन्च किया, जो कई सारे लोगों ने कलेक्टर के तौर पे कलेक्ट करके रखा हुआ है. सो आज निसान की गाड़ियाँ एक कलेक्टर के तौर पे हैं. तो many of you think that 1983 was the first time that a foreign Japanese brand came to India. You are wrong. It was in 1965 that the first foreign Japanese brand came to India and started working with the Indian government. So you can imagine that we have actually served the nation for 30 long years. We've served the armed forces and we're extremely proud for that, that we've actually managed to deliver to the expectations of battle-hardened heroes like the Indian Armed Forces, and we've actually served them. So with that kind of a rich legacy, we are very proud now to reintroduce a lot of new models back into this country. We call 2026 as the year of resurgence. Resurgence means Nissan is back in India with a lot of new cars. We were with one car for the last 5 years. But now is the year, this year, like I said, 3 new cars are coming and more is coming after that. So once again, thank you to all my customers for joining the family. Welcome to all of you. And we would like to thank the entire team and the press and the team Vibrant, which has organized this function and invited me here to be amongst all of you. It's an absolute pleasure, privilege, and an honor to spend an evening with all of you. Thank you so much. amongst customers. It can't get better.
Amazing. Thank you so much. I'm sure you're going to have an amazing evening here tonight.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I'm sure you'll give me some time to talk to my customers.
Of course, of
Thank you.
course. Thank you.
So, good evening, everyone. Thank you all for coming today. Let me first take the opportunity to welcome Mr. Saurabh Vatsa. He's our managing director who's brought in this beautiful car into India at this fantastic price. Along with him, Mr. Vivek Paliwal, welcome. He's the sales head. Mr. Abhishek. By all your grace, we have sold on an average, approximately we have sold close to 15,000 vehicles till now. And we are happy to say that we've sold in excess of 100 Gravite already. Five years ago, we had brought in Nissan Magnite. Sounds a bit like Gravite. We had tremendous success with that as well. By all the guidance and support of Nissan India, we were able to lead as the single largest dealer for Nissan in India. We have sold in excess of close to 150, 200 vehicles per month for the last 5 years. Vibrant Nissan has 4 showrooms. We are present at MG Road, Secunderabad. We are present, the second showroom is at Gachibowli. More, it's probably better understood as Raidurg. Third showroom is at Erragadda. And the fourth showroom is at Miapur. This network is supported by 3 workshops. One in Uppal, Secunderabad. The second showroom workshop is at Sheikhpet. And the third workshop is at Hafizpet. By this you understand we cover a large territory. We are spread across the city for the benefit of the customer. We also have a total that covers at least 3 to 4 other points in sales and service. Vibrant Nissan is part of Vibrant Mobility Group, which represents 3 other brands, global brands that do well. And within this portfolio, Nissan is our largest portfolio till now. We have team members here who have helped execute this event that have conceptualized, designed and executed all of this. There are team members here who have completed over 20 years with us. There are team members here who have worked crazy hours and seen all the ups and downs. And we are all together, a team of approximately 250 team members in Vibrant Nissan. We are all together, raring to go, wanting to build really big with Magnite the way we built in the last 5 years, now Gravite, and soon we will add a car called Tekton. In a matter of a few months, we will launch Tekton. The next car will be bigger than this, and hopefully it will have a bigger reach as well. I will leave what is there after that, hopefully, to my good friend Saurabh. He will talk about things from beyond there.
Okay, my name is Saurabh Vats. I am the Managing Director for Nissan Motors India Limited, and along with me is Siraj Babu Khan Saab, who is the Managing Director for Vibrant Motors in Hyderabad. And it's a lovely evening here today in Hyderabad, We've gathered here to celebrate the first 100-car delivery for the all-new Nissan Gravite from Vibrant Motors. And Siraj Saab has been our dealer since 2010. And in the last 16 years, he's delivered over 15,000 cars in Hyderabad. So it's a lovely occasion to meet the entire customer family. In fact, they are very excited and they are waiting for their new cars to be delivered to them because they all want to drive the cars home. 100 new families are going to get 100 new cars tonight. And it's a great occasion to be here. The all-new Nissan Gravite is a BMPV 7-seater with lovely flexibility and modularity in it, especially on the second row and third row seats. It's very good for large families and small business owners. So you can use the car for family purpose or for business purpose. And it's got all the safety features, all the other bells and whistles, and it starts at 5,65,000 rupees ex-showroom. So it's a lovely package, and you can already see the love of the customers. The first 100 cars are getting delivered tonight, and it's a great evening to be here along with Siraj Saab and all the customers and the entire Vibrant team here in Hyderabad.
Sir,
Thank
now,
you.
Just now you announced the 4 cars you're launching in this
Yes.
financial year. Can you please report?
So we already have the Magnite. Along with Magnite, we've launched the new Gravite. In June, we are launching the all-new CSUV 5-seater, which is called the Tecton. And by the end of this financial year, we are launching another CSUV, which is much bigger, and it's going to be having 7 seats on it. So by the end of the financial year, we would be 4-car company, and we'll be soon back in Hyderabad to see all of you.
Sir, how many colors you are launching this?
This is available in 5 colors. And this is also available with a special edition, which we've got the launch special edition, which has got all the interesting features on it, and including phone charging and everything else. And this is a great package for customers who are looking at both mobility for families and for using it for carrying luggage in it, whether it's business luggage or personal luggage. But it's got a lot of flexibility. A lot of people are already using it for moving between cities. So this is a lovely vehicle for that.
Sir, there is a review that there is no space for the luggage. Can you tell about that?
I would say that forget the review, get into my car, take it for a drive, fill it up with luggage, and let's go for a long drive. That's how I would just say. You enjoy the car, you experience it, and then you tell me whether it's got the space for the luggage or not. Yeah? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Sir,
Thank you.
Just,
you don't-
just 1 minute में बात करो. Yes.
Good evening, everyone. This is Siraj Babu Khan from Vibrant Nissan. We have a wonderful package in the new new Gravite. इसमें आप देखेंगे बहुत सारे फीचर है. इतनी छोटी सी गाड़ी और इतने छोटे से प्राइस में इतने सारे फीचर्स है. You have a very good screen. You have rain sensing wipers. You have 7 seats with fantastic leg space. छोटी sub 4 मीटर गाड़ी में इतना ज़्यादा स्पेस है. ऑल साइड से स्मार्ट लुकिंग गाड़ी है. इट्स लोगों का हाइट, tall people like Saurabh Saab and myself can sit in it, even in the 3rd row very comfortably. फिर भी जगह है. So इतना सारा कंटेंट दिया है इतनी छोटी गाड़ी में. You'll all enjoy this vehicle. Please come experience this car. And it is packaged with many features, not just interior, internal, external, but great finance options, great on-road selling options. इसमें मेंटेनेंस फ्री दिया है 5 साल के लिए, फर्स्ट 5,000 गाड़ी के लिए. इसमें आपको 5.55 रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पे फंडिंग दिया है. सो लॉट ऑफ ग्रेट फीचर्स, लॉट ऑफ ग्रेट पैकेजिंग फॉर अ ब्रिलियंट लॉन्च.
सर, सेल्स कैसे हैं?
बहुत अच्छे है, बहुत अच्छे है. हम ऑलरेडी वी आर टचिंग ऑलमोस्ट ये महीने में लास्ट मंथ और ये मंथ, लास्ट मंथ समटाइम अराउंड लास्ट मंथ लॉन्च हुआ, और अभी तक वी आर गोइंग टू डिलीवर 150 प्लस व्हीकल्स. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you.